आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सॉल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hi there. Today our question is find the equation of the sphere described on the joint of points A and B having position vectors as 2i cap plus 6j cap minus 7k cap and minus 2i cap plus 4j cap minus 3k cap respectively as the diameter. Now find the center and radius of the sphere. So we have to find three parts in this question. The first one is the equation of a sphere, second one is the center point, and the third one is the radius of the sphere. So first of all, let us assume a point P on the sphere. Let's say this is a sphere and this is a point P having position vector as having points x, y and z. Let us assume a point P on sphere whose position vector will be x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap, and we have given that A and B forms the diameter of this sphere. So we know that in a sphere having AB as diameter, we can say that the dot product of AP vector and BP vector will be 0 because P is the point from where when we draw lines to A and B, we can say that they are perpendicular to each other. So that is why the dot product of these two lines will be 0. Now let's find the AP vector. A is at point 2, 6, minus 7 and P is at x, y, z. From these 2 points, we can say that AP vector will be x minus 2 I cap plus y minus 6 j cap plus z plus 7 k cap. And similarly for BP, we have our B point at minus 2, 4 and minus 3, and our P is at x, y and z. So BP will become x plus 2 I cap plus y minus 4 j cap plus z minus minus plus z plus 3 k cap. Now we will do the dot product of AP and BP. So AP dot BP dot BP will be x minus 2 into x plus 2 I cap I cap. I cap square is 1. I cap square is 1. J cap square is also 1 and Z cap K cap square is also 1. So from multiplying these two, we will get x minus 2 into x plus 2 I cap square. I cap square will be 1. When we multiply this x plus 2 I cap to y minus 6 j cap, then we will see that I cap dot j cap will be 0. So there will be no term. That means x plus 2 into y minus 6 will be 0. So we will write the final answer of our dot product as x minus 2 x plus 2 plus y minus 4 y minus 6 plus z plus 3 and z minus z plus 7 is equals to 0. This will be the equation of our dot product. Now solving this further, we will get x square minus 4 plus y square minus 10y plus 24 plus z square plus 10z plus 21 is equals to 0. And at last we will get the final equation as x square plus y square plus z square minus 10y plus 10z plus 41 is equals to 0, which is the required equation of sphere. This is the equation of sphere. Now the second part of our question is to find the center point coordinates. We have to find the center point. Now we know that center point can be find out using minus u, comma minus v, comma minus w. These are the coordinates of center point, and we know that 2u is equals to coefficient of x, 2v is equals to coefficient of y, and 2z is equals to coefficient of z. From the above equation of a sphere, we can see that the coefficient of x is 0. So, u will also 0. From the above equation, coefficient of y is minus 10. So, 2v is equals to minus 10 and v will be equals to minus 5. And coefficient of z is 10. So, 2z, no, this is w, 2w, u, v and w. So 2w will be equals to 10 and so w is equals to 5. So our center points will now become, center is at minus u, minus v, minus w. So minus 0 will be 0, minus v will be minus of minus, so it will become plus 5, and w will become minus 5. So this is our center point. And for radius, we will have, for radius we have a formula that r is equals to u square plus v square plus w square minus d, right? In this question we have u square is equals to 0 square, v square will be 5 square, and w square will be minus 5 whole square, so it will become 5 square, and our d is 41. From here we can see d is 41, so we will have minus 41. So after solving it, 5 square 25, 5 square 25, 25 25 is 50, 50 minus 41 is 9, so root 9 will be equals to 3 units, and that is what our radius of the sphere. So this is the center and this is the radius, and we had our equation as this. Equation of a sphere is this. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।